crafty people, I have some cards for you. Can you believe it? Yes, I can still make cards. It's just been a while. So I used Graphic 45. I used two paper collections, Flight for Fancy and Watermelon something. So here is my first card. And this is the Flight, is it Flight of Fancy or Flight for Fancy? Something like that. But this is a, oh goodness, what's it called? Here's how it opens. And the thing I love about this is you really, all you have to do is use either the fussy cuts or you can buy these aren't chipboard, these are heavyweight cardstock images. But I mean, it is a little bit time consuming to cut the card base and then cut all the little backgrounds and put that, but really for the most part, it's pretty easy. So this is where you'd write your message. And the only thing I don't like about this type of card is how it kind of bends right here. So anyway, that's card number 1. Okay, card number 2. We're going to do this one. Look at these little charms. Oh my gosh. Fluttering by to say hello. And this is a Z-fold card. I think that's a Z-fold card too. It's just a different style of Z-fold. So I love how the images, you can make them like go off the page like that. And I just love the charms so much. So anyway, it opens up like that. Very colorful paper collection. And then on the back, just flying by to say hello. And then I added this little strip and some popped up butterflies for where you write your message. All right. Then this is the last one of the Flight for Fancy. And this collection I think has been out for several months at least. And I just didn't purchase it. And then all of a sudden I was like, why in the world don't I have that? Okay, so this one is it's a shaker. So this one, you got the butterflies, you got the little hummingbird. This is a chipboard piece from the chipboard collection. You got some flowers kind of sticking up out of there. And then this opens up like this. You got more flowers. Look at that. Is that not... Oh, I just love it. And then on the back, we have a big rose. And it says, "You fill my heart with joy." All right. I really had fun making these. I did these all in one day, along with laundry and all the other things that comes along with that. Okay, so then the watermelon collection, I can't remember exactly what it's called, but Sunshine on My Mind, and we've got these little smiles for miles, life is sweet, sunshine on my mind, and then it opens like this, and we've got some tickets, and you could see the watermelon papers. It's a beautiful, bright collection. Okay. I got to do the back of this one. But I'll do it the same as I did those. Big piece of white paper, and I'll probably do a strip of paper on the back. That's a shame. I was going to take that and put it in the shop today. Okay, and then we've got, I think I did put paper on the back of that one. So this one says "One in a Melon," and we've got the watermelon slices and then a flower with the watermelon slice. That opens up like that. And then we've got this, your one in a melon, and the pretty flowers that are kind of sticking out past. So really pretty colors, real summery. And then on the back, Watermelons are smiles of summer. All right. I'm going to go ahead and put this one up here, but I have to fix that one so I can take it and put it in the shop today to sell. All right, and then this is the last one, and I used the same size chipboard piece as on this one, just different collection, obviously, and shaker card. So look at all the sequins in there, smiles for miles, and a little hot air balloon, and then that opens up like this. You're one in a melon. I love this type of card so much. And then on the back, we've got summer is my season. All right. Well, that was a pretty quick video considering my videos have been like 30 minutes lately. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed these Z-fold cards. They're super easy to make. Next time I have a collection that works well with this type of card, I will do a tutorial. I keep saying I'm going to do a tutorial, but I really am. I've got some things ordered. I've got some projects coming up I'm so stoked about. So stay tuned. Be sure you're subscribed. Hit the like button. It really helps a lot. But what helps even more is if you comment. Let me know if you like these. Let me know if you want to see more. Let me know if you want a tutorial. There's tons of tutorials out there. And I'm not great at tutorials, but I'm going to start trying to do that. Sometimes I'm in such a hurry. I get so involved. I just go, and I finish it. And then I'm like, oh, I was going to film a tutorial. So anyway, thanks for watching. Happy scrappy day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.